Yes, people, welcome to a new video of Tita tutorial, and in this video we gonna add some borders to this nice picture. It's a nice car and we add some borders to it, but first I want to remind you, you can subscribe to my channel for future updates, and that would be a really big thank you. So if I helped you, consider subscribing. Then now we go add some borders, guys. Let's go. We go to click the picture, and then you see here at the top you see picture format. We click picture format, and then here in this section you can add borders. So you can click on the arrow below, and then you add some different borders. For now we add this thick black border, and then you see you can also change it. And of course in an earlier video we made the text to move freely, but that's not what you're here for. But it's easier to move the text, and you can add some different borders, and like this one, it's nice. You have a reflection here, and you can add at the right, you can add everything like the transparency of the border. You can add the size of the border. It's a little bit slow, but you know the meaning. Well, this was it. You know how to add a border and how you add some nice borders. And I see you in the next video. And well, again, consider subscribing, and bye bye.